Hallo zusammen and welcome back to our German lessons. Today, in our third lesson, we're going to expand our German by taking a close look at numbers. We'll be focusing on numbers up to 100 in German, essential for everyday situations like shopping, telling time, or giving your phone number. Let's start with the basics. 1 to 10. I'll present them to you and you repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here's a little extra tip to round out your basic number knowledge. Null, which means 0 in German. Great. Here's the overview of what you just learned. Pause to repeat it by yourself and memorize. Moving on. Let's look at 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13. Notice how 13 is built from 3 and 10. 13. Easy, right? This is also true for the following numbers. 14, 15, 16. Here is a small exception. There is only one S in 16. So it's 16, 17. Also 17 is missing 2 letters. It's 17. Next is 18, 19, 20. Well done! Give yourself a well-deserved round of applause for mastering numbers up to 20 in German. With this knowledge, you can now confidently navigate many everyday situations, such as counting items while shopping or giving a phone number in German. Great! Now let's jump to the tens. In German, they're quite straightforward. Repeat after me and try to get the pronunciation right. Ready? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 or 100. Both are correct. Now let's learn how to form numbers between 21 and 99. It's simple. Just combine the unit, the word und the 10. For example, 21, 21. In this case, ein is the unit, und, which means and in German, the connector, and 20 is the 10. Please notice that in the range between 21 and 99, you say the unit first, and then the 10. Let's practice some together. For example, 32, 43, 56, 68, 87, and one more, 99. Runde 2. Time for more practice. Are you ready? I'll say a number and you try to identify the word and the number. Let's see how you do. 55. Let's move on to the next number. 32. Good. Alright, what about 0? Correct. Good job. Let's try 67. Yes, correct is 67. Okay, 3 more to go. Let's go for 11. Good. The last 2. You got this. 89. And last but not least, 100. Fantastic work! You've just expanded your German vocabulary with numbers up to 100. Remember, practicing these numbers will help you in real-life situations. So keep practicing and you'll soon be counting like a native. That's all for today's lesson. You did an amazing job learning numbers in German. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this lesson helpful and subscribe for more German learning content. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Goodbye.